everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today feels like a 2 video kind of day, so I wanted to do a Hermès haul for you guys. This is my bag. So I met up with the girls in the city and we had lunch and we did a little bit of shopping. Yeah, I bought pieces from Hermès that are very classic, things that I can reuse. Something happened to me recently. I deleted accidentally all the numbers from my phone. Has that ever happened to you? So I think I'm gonna go back to writing things down, which is better because it's a pain going to everybody and like, oh, you deleted me, and then you have to do the whole explaining thing. Not so good. So I wanted something that was really chic to write down all my addresses and phone numbers. So this is my first box. Love the orange boxes. And this is what it is inside. So I purchased the Cahier Ulysse. This is the PM, and the color is so beautiful. I think the color is called Mykonos. I'll leave it down here so you can see the color. Here on the inside it has like 2 buttons because you have to buy refills for them. And here it says Hermès. Yeah. And it's really cute, I think, and really light and compact. Now I bought the refill for it and it comes in this box. And the box opens differently, it's like that. And this is a refill for the PM. And here, right here, it says Hermès Carré. This is what the refill looks like. Just put that back because it's just reflecting the light. And it has lots of space inside for you to write down all your addresses and numbers. See? Lots of spaces. You can even use this to make notes as well. And I really like the fact that it's very compact and very light for me to carry with in my handbag because I don't really like overloading my handbag. So I'm gonna attach both of them and then show you what they both look like. This is what it looks like now, very small and compact, and I can write down all my numbers in here and I won't have to depend on my phone again because we all know what happened. And it's very beautiful, so I love this. The next thing that I purchased was a Carré. It comes in this box and I love the Hermès Carrés. Actually I was very lucky because the one that I got was from the spring summer collection from this catalog, and at the time when I went they had a lot of them, so when I went back this time they only had one and I happened to got the last one. Can you believe it? And this is their new catalog, and I saw some really nice carrés in there too that I would like. So let's open it together. And this is what it is. This is such a beautiful carré. I love Hermès for their 150-year tradition. And the thing I like about their carrés is that they make the colors so beautiful, so bright, so dramatic. And the patterns are almost like in a 3D setting. And I love it. And this is in my favorite color, turquoise. And it has turquoise, it has orange, it has cobalt, and I love the pattern so much. And I'm going to use this to dress up a lot of my outfits. This is a 90 by 90 scarf, and it's 100% silk. And the colors are just so exquisite. Love Hermès. So on to the next piece, which I am really excited about. I bought another belt. This is the box. And then let's open it together. And this is what it looks like, the belt in the box. So first of all, it comes with this little pouch for the buckle. And let's have a look at the belt first. So this is my new belt. Almost matches my nail polish color. That is cool. So this is a beautiful beige color, and on the other side it's like a beautiful gray, which is very lovely because I'm a girl that likes neutral colors, so I can pair it with a lot more things. I do have one belt in black and golden brown. I think I showed that one already, black and gold. So I got this buckle this time. This is the shiny one, and I really do like the gold buckle. Okay, so let's peel that out. And this is how it looks, really very shiny. So now I'm going to show you how it looks like. This is the belt on the beige side. Very, very beautiful. And that's the thing I love about these belts, is that you can change up the colors. And this is how it looks on the gray side. Very, very exquisite. I do love this belt so much. I think it's one of those fashion must-haves for me. So those were the items that I got. Very happy with them. I didn't go on the extreme, but I love what I bought. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have pictures on my blog, so take care guys. Wishing you all a pleasant day. Bye everyone.